Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. On today's episode I'm going to show you how to make a low carb, sugar-free, keto macadamia and chocolate chip cookie. As you're probably aware, we're still in lockdown here in Melbourne, Australia, so by the time I upload this video, fingers crossed, we'll be out of lockdown. So without any further ado, if you're interested to see me make this very well-known traditional cookie, then please keep watching. Let me start by putting on my apron so we can get started. I'm just to add about 3/4 of a cup of stevia into the food processor, and then about 120 grams of cubed butter, because we're going to blitz this all together, and the easiest way to do it is with the food processor. Now I'm going to add the vanilla. Now I'm going to add 1 egg, and I'm going to start beating this again. Now I'm adding the dry ingredients, which is 1.5 cups of almond flour, 1/2 cup of shredded coconut, baking powder and salt, and a table of gelatin. Last but not least, the macadamias. My cookie is still warm and it's quite chewy, which I like, and very Moorish. Well, that wraps up today's video, everybody. I hope you enjoyed watching me make this traditional macadamia and chocolate chip cookie in the keto way. So on that note, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and give me a thumbs up. Make sure you click that notification bell for all the upcoming videos. Time to go. I'll see you in my next video. Keep well, keep safe. Until then, bye for now.